So, ito guys, from Madam Jem Alia. So, wala na tong box guys. As I've said, na-unboxing ko na to para sa aking YouTube channel, of course, doon sa hotel. So, ngayon, gumagawa lang ako ng mga short video and of course, sa aking reels din, diba? As usual. So, this is from Ted Baker or any pronunciation of this, like us from London. So, guys, ito yung laman. Thank you ulit, Madam Jen. Kaya guys, gusto ko na ding itatry yung lipstick. I think this one is lip tint. Is a glossy lip thread, sorry. Yeah. So I want to try this color. That's why eager na akong i-video ulit dito. Itatry ko to mamaya, guys. Ayan, ito pwede pala. Parang excited ako sa kulay. Pero naka-red lipstick kasi ako eh. Wow, mayroon pa siya dito pa yatang paano to. Ano ba to, madam? Wow, ang ganda ng design. Hindi siya masyadong mano guys, but I feel na maganda siya. Super ganda. At I like the design. At saka ito yung oil cream. Ang ganda. Thank you, Madam Jen. And of course, is a body wash. And this is a hand and nail balm. Thank you ulit, Madam.